I'm filming. This is going on YouTube.
Really?
Yes. There's a lot of videos like this on YouTube. Oh. Look at the wind. Trying to see if it is. I'm trying to see if it's rotating. Rotation could mean tornado.
Kommer ihåg Kommer ihåg tidigare.
Come on, give me a good lightning strike. Give me a good one.
Yeah.
That's my parents talking.
I saw lightning over there before.
Yeah, I caught a couple of good ones upstairs. Yep, there's another one.
You came in there?
It did. Can anybody tell me on YouTube what type of cloud this is? I know it's a cumulonimbus cloud, but this is something special. Like a shelf cloud, a wall cloud, which is kind of unheard of here, but it has happened.
Has happened?
That we get tornadoes.
Yeah?
We have gotten that.
Like this?
I don't know. Oh, I got that one.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah, it's incredible.
What?
It's incredible.